If anyone questions how bad people want to see the volcano, it's just full of cars there. There used to be a road. As you just might have seen, Icelanders are really prepared for all the tourists. I mean, it's a tourism island. Kind of takes all the adventure out of it, but then again, you know, I'm not saying not a single bad word about it, because I suppose they're not interested in rescuing people from here over and over again. I heard that like when it started, at some point, you know, people were getting lost and off the track, and they had to go and find them. So I suppose it just makes sense that they are just watching out for people here. You gotta fill in a card like this and leave it in your car. Estimate the time of departure and arrival and stuff. So I mean, yeah, Icelanders can do tourism, it seems. The weather is nice and windy. I don't have a microphone today with me, and there's a whole heaps of people come to enjoy it. So I got my stupid head camera set up on, and I'll start walking. Now higher than the, well, almost as high, I would say, as the highest peak in Estonia, and the Atlantic Ocean is just there. So it was a pretty nice climb here, but the volcano should be just around the corner. Here I am, the lava field in all of its glory. I'll go closer because it kind of already feels warmer here. So let's see, people are down there checking it out. Definitely smells like sulfur. I know it from the days that I used to play with fireworks. So let's go down. But the thing is with Iceland is that, you know, there's no going behind a tree to rest, because there is literally no trees. So wind is still blowing and it's pretty cold, but the lava field warms me enough that I can sit here and admire it. Alright, last few shots of the volcano, because it's pretty goddamn cold here. So come on, get your focus together. Yeah, it's pretty cold to sit here. I mean, like I said, I was hoping that the volcano would be warmer, but it just isn't. It just isn't here. Yeah, it's just last looks at the field of lava and the eruption and the field of lava. I did it. The start of this descent here is literally the most annoying time I've had adventurizing in Iceland, because it's this plane is at 90 meters from the sea level, and the top of this mountain is 300 meters from the sea level, and it was sunny before, so all the snow started melting, and now it's not sunny anymore and it's pretty cold up there, so all the freshly melting snow has turned into packed, not melting snow anymore, and you have like 100 people coming up, and it's just jagged rock up there, so one wrong step, one slip, and you will bust yourself open on the loose rock. So it was super annoying coming down. But now here, I'd say, like compared to up on the mountain there, like here on 90 meters, it's a good, I'd say good 10 to 12 degrees warmer, and it's not about the air temperature, but the wind is so cold. My hands were freezing up there, and it's okay to have your hands out here. So this volcano trip wasn't that fun, and obviously adventure camera company GoPro products just fucking die when like cameras that are meant for extreme sports just don't work when the going gets extreme. That's just the best part about GoPros. But yeah, I'm down and I'm alive. What you gonna do? Well, I done did it, but I'd say today, I mean, it shows that it's -2. If you want to go there, choose warmer weather. I suppose like this volcano is not going anywhere. It's gonna erupt a couple of more weeks as far as what I've read. So I mean, -2 down here is -12 with wind up there. The trek itself, it's not that hard. I mean, the hardest part is going uphill. Other than that, yeah, I mean, coming downhill was just terrible. But other than that, it's pretty short. It was like 8.5 kilometers. It took me 1 hour and 30 minutes to go there and get back. So the weather was so cold. I was up there, you know, yeah, let's go up, film the volcano and stuff. And when I got there, my hands were so freezing. It just took a lot of effort to just take my glove off and use all the gadgets that I have. But I mean, I've been on the bumps back there, you see, so that like gave me a good experience beforehand. So I knew what's gonna wait for me up there. I knew it's gonna be windy and way colder, so that wasn't at least a surprise. And when you were moving, it was okay. I mean, when moving, you know, you get your blood flowing and it's not that bad. But yeah, there's a lot of people, as you can see. Cars here, cars hikers there who are still going up there, so good luck to them, and I'm gonna get out of here. Peace. I was just driving home on this gorgeous piece of road. I mean, just look at this, and I found this lake here. I mean, found it. I'd seen it on the map, but I just never put due thoughts into it that I should come here, you know. And I was like, screw it. I don't think they're allowed to drive back where all the volcano admirers are. I think it's a one-way road at the moment, so I was forced to come here. So, quote-unquote forced, because the police was there, so I thought, screw it, I won't try to drive back from there. And I found this nice scenery here. That's all. I just wanted to capture it. And I was here.